Time I'm making very tasty and spicy chickpeas. Ingredients: chopped onion 1, coriander leaves 2 or 3 tomatoes, green chilies 2 or 3, coriander powder, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, cumin seeds half teaspoon, tamarind soaked in water, boiled potatoes 2 or 3. First, the chickpeas soak the chickpeas overnight for better result. Boil the chickpeas, add salt half teaspoon and half teaspoon baking soda. Now chickpeas is tender. Now adding spices, tomatoes, green chili, coriander leaves, onion. Cooked 5 minutes more. If you like my video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. You will learn to cook more delicious Asian recipes. Boiled potatoes, tamarind water. At last I am adding tamarind water. For thickness, thick, for thickness I am adding corn flour 1 or 2 teaspoon. These are great eaten hot in cold weather. Almost done. Salt is perfect. Ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video. Coriander leaves. Very tasty and very tempting. Chickpeas is ready to eat.